Well, good morning. I'm Bill, talking to you from the island of Speakon, as you can see from my hat. Speakon is an island in Emeralda, imaginary place, and it's unboxing day today. The new book, The Enigma of Blockchain Museography. It's a story, actually, of working papers that I put together from discussions with two of my friends, Carl Chu and David Lotz. We talked for 6 months about the place of museums in the future, in an age of Bitcoin and virtual reality and all the rest. Fascinating book, if I do say so myself. On Amazon, of course. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's also an ebook. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.